したが、仲間が外を制圧しました。結局のところ、地下室とはネズミの場所ですから。
You're going through absolute hell right now that none of us can possibly fathom. But just know we all have your back. We're right there with you, and you're in our thoughts and prayers. I know damn well you're going to defeat cancer and relinquish all this pain and suffering that is plaguing you and your family. You're vital to this community, but more importantly, you're my friend and a friend to so many people. Through this terror, you're able to bring so many people together and give us an opportunity to assimilate that life is precious and worth the price. We care about you a lot, but I need one last favor from you. I need to tell you this, and please take my words to heart. Never give up. Look death in the face and undermine its grasp on you. None of us, I repeat, none of us are going to lose hope, so you can't either. The mind is capable of miracles. Tap into that fountain and never give up. We love you, and of course, Fyodor Nordifs.